Next, we're going to set up DuckDB in Python and run our first little script. This first step is completely optional, but I like to use pyenv to manage my Python environments. It keeps things clean because I can create a dedicated environment for this project, delete it if I don't need it anymore, and keep my packages nicely isolated. So let's create a new virtual environment called motherduck with Python and then activate it. Once the environment is ready, installing DuckDB is as simple as it gets. Just do an upgrade pip and then run pip install DuckDB. That's all. To verify the installation, we'll open Python, import DuckDB and print the version number. If that works, we're ready to connect and run our first query. If you get a version number, then we know everything is working and we're ready to go. As I said, I like to use pyenv because I have then an environment that I can use where I can install packages and that I can at the end delete again. So I have a clean Python environment. I created for you here in the GitHub, in the SQL scripts, one document that's called DuckDB Python, and that has actually the install pyenv on WSL, everything that you need to do. It's basically WSL is Linux, right? And you need to run this through Linux. It's a simple curl command and then adding some variables to your path and then do a pyenv install and then creating a virtual that basically installs Python and then creating a virtual environment that's called motherduck. I already created this. It's basically, these are the steps. Then you just need to activate it and you need to go for a pip install upgrade just to make sure that pip is upgraded and then pip install DuckDB. Of course, you can't do this without pyenv. For that, then it's just these two steps, pip install upgrade pip and pip install DuckDB, and then it's installed. I just like this because with this, I can actually then go into my editor and I can say here, I connect to Ubuntu, right? My WSL. I can, for instance, do reopen folder in WSL. And then on the bottom here, I can select then the environment that I want. And for this, then you see here, now I see exactly the motherduck environment. I can select it. And then there are two ways to test this. Either we run this now in our VS Code. And as you can see, here's our number for the version of DuckDB, of the package that we have. Or you can also just do this through the command line. Bring up WSL here and then activate the environment. And then you can quickly just run this exact script that we have in our file just with Python C, and then this, boom, 1.4. So we know we have installed Python correctly. We have the DuckDB package installed. Now we can start with the code.